Hey there, and welcome to this video series about developing a REST API in TypeScript, among others. It's just a brief introductory video about how this is done, how we're going to do this. And I got VS Code open here. We can see there is an architecture diagram of the API, and we can see that we're using a database, a NoSQL database called MongoDB. And I also have created an account, and we have a cluster running with some data in, some test data, products and users. This is what the domain will be about, so users can create products with different properties. And if we go back here, we can see we got the database. We have some models, we have some interfaces for the user and the product that forms the models here, and the models layer. We also have controllers. This is not a normal MVC because this is a backend application, so we don't have the views, of course, because we need a client to connect using HTTP, HTTPS, different client applications, could be front-end applications in whatever framework we want to do this in. Very flexible structure. So we got the controllers, Auth controller, product controller, and we got the router that takes care of dispatching the request from the client and talking to the controllers. So a layered architecture, and we got the different files in the applications. We're going to talk much more about this when we start to do it, but we can see it's being coded in TypeScript. We got the different routes, we have the different folders, so there's going to be a lot in this application here. If we go to, we can see the Mongo, we got the different, each collection, the users that has been connected. So we have a connection between the user and the product when they create it. We also have, because this is a backend application, we don't have a front-end app to test it in the beginning. We also have Postman as a VS Code extension, so we can see that if we go to, we have different routes here, or different testing routes. We have get all products, for instance, could be that, let's see here, let me just clear the response. Let's send a request, and we can see we get some data from the API, and it should be the same as in MongoDB. Let's see if we can go back here. So that's basically it. We're going to code this API that is using TypeScript and Mongo and Node and Express. So I think this is pretty much it. So stay tuned for the next videos and hope you make this work. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.